So if you log into your Delta mining app and you happen to see this update message or pop up at the top of your screen, but you don't really know how to go about it, or you've tried and you got stuck and you just abandoned the whole thing, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how to update your Delta mining app so you don't run into issues or end up creating an entirely new account. I'm just going to go straight to the point. So the first thing you're meant to do is to just click on this pop-up notification. Okay, make sure you aim for the view, right, or just click on the green bar right there. Once you do, this is going to redirect you to this very page, and you can see right here it says Delta version 1.17. okay, so this is the version you're using and this is the new version right here. Okay, so you can see right now this is now available on Play Store. For those of us who got in before this, just like Pi Network, Delta started with just the APK, okay, but it is now available on Play Store. Okay, so you don't have to worry about using the APK version again. They want to make sure you now install this app from Play Store, so you don't have to worry about this. You can just go ahead and click on this Play Store link right here, okay, and this would automatically lead you to Play Store. So let's go ahead and click on this right now. So this would lead you to Play Store, and once you arrive here, all you just have to do is to update the app, and once you're done updating, you go ahead and click on the open button right here, and of course you'll be redirected to the Delta Kim app. Please note that this app is now on Play Store, and whenever you have an issue, the first thing you want to do is to come to Play Store and search for it just to see if there's any updates. And when you intend to, the keyword to use is Delta Kim and not just Delta. This is how you discover it easily. Okay, so let's go back. So I know you see this right now. For those of us who have tried to update it, this is where they got stuck, right? And some ended up fixing in another detail, which ended up creating a new account for them. Okay, this is not what you're meant to do. What you're meant to do right now is to click on this very box that says country or region, and then I'm just going to go to letter N right here. Okay, select the country you come from, and once you pick your country, I'm just going to click on Nigeria, and here it says MSISDN. Now this is your mobile phone number. The phone number you're meant to fix in is the phone number you used for the registration. Like I always say, whenever you're creating an account for all this, make sure you get a book, a jotter or something, and write down every detail you used for the creation of these mining accounts. Okay, just make sure you document everything so that whenever you run into an issue like this, you can always go there and fetch your details. Okay, so I'm just going to fix in the number I used for my registration, right? And once I do right now, I'm going to click on this very one that says next step. But before I proceed, I'm going to tell you this: if you haven't joined Delta Network, make sure you do now, because this very project is powered by Internet Computer, which is a cryptocurrency already trading on the crypto market. So this is going to definitely be a solid project. So we're going to click on next right now, and of course this is going to lead you to this very place. So you can see right here it says the matching verification strategy is security cycle plus 2DSMS. So you can start your two-factor verification right here. Okay, so you are logged in, but you just need to do the two-factor verification. Okay, and login is within 10 minutes after logging out to avoid two-factor verification. Okay, so we're going to say that's two-factor verification. Okay, so the thing is, once you log out, it will take about 10 minutes. You have to wait for like 10 minutes before you log in. So we're going to go ahead and click on this security code right here. So you're being told that you have not set the security code yet, so your account is very insecure. Now for those of us that have not set the security code, you're just going to enter any 6-digit placeholder, right, and go to the next step. So just enter any 6-digit code you can think of, or something you can always remember. So I'm just going to enter one right now, and then I'm going to click on next step. Okay, so this is going to take us to this very place right now, and the next thing you're meant to do is to click on this very one that says DSMS verification. So I'm going to click on DSMS verification and then click on get. Okay, just like before, you're not meant to select any network here. Do not select any network. Just go ahead and select global universal, and yes, we're just going to select any WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp I selected last time during the account creation was WhatsApp account that is linked to Britain. So I'm just going to tick this very box right here. Okay, and once you tick this very box right now, you can now go ahead and click on next step you see right here. So of course, we're just going to send this to our WhatsApp, right? So we're meant to tick this very WhatsApp box right here, not SMS. And once you tick this, we can now go ahead and click on this send icon, and make sure that you do this on time, because you have about 5 minutes or 6 minutes to do this, right? So we're just going to click on confirm right now, and this is going to redirect us to WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm going to send this right now. So once you send this right now, what you want to do is to head back, and you can now go ahead and click on I have sent the verification string, next step. So once you're sure you've sent the verification string, go ahead and click on this very confirm button right here. So we are waiting for the verification SMS. So you can see verification successful. We are done with that. So we have signed in successfully, and back to my account. You can see my balance right here is back. So this is basically how you do this. Okay, now make sure that the security code you set is written down for safety and account recovery reason. Make sure you do this, it is very important. Now I want you to take a good look at this very section, this very place that says total of people. Now this total of people is the total people mining this project as we speak. One of the beauty of Delta Network is that you get to see the total number of people who have joined these projects. As you can see right here, it's just about 383,000 people, but this number is fast increasing, and this is why you need to hop in right now. It's not up to 1 million yet, so you are still very early. And like I said before, this project is just like Pi Network. Okay, they're trying to do what Pi Network is doing. You can see everything right here corresponds with Pi Network. You can see the security cycle, your team members area, the mint, the wallet, and everything just have this Pi Network similarity. Okay, so nobody knows in 3-4 years time from now, this could really be a profitable thing for you. So it's better you start early. Those who started early on Pi are the biggest earners, okay, are those who profited or gained more from that Pi Network project. But like I said before, make sure that whatever you're using to join any project I'm going to be introducing to you is documented, and make sure you keep it safe, okay, so you don't end up worrying when you need it most. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down right now, and you can see other data, which is the total allocation that is going to be given to miners, which is about 180 billion token, and other stuffs like that. You're going to see other metric right here. So everything is just well documented and presented. So this is it for today's video. I hope you now understand how the update process works and how not to lose your account. For more tutorials like these, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any new videos or updates I'm going to be dropping about Delta Network. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.